Spring is here, but respiratory disease season isn't behind us just yet. Now is the time to stock up on everything your practice needs to protect, diagnose, and treat patients. The good news, our Spring Survival Checklist has you covered. Here's what you need to know. Tip number 1, prevention. Prevention starts with strong infection control. That means regular hand washing and ensuring all surfaces are thoroughly disinfected before, during, and after patient care. Stocking up on PPE, like gloves and masks, is just as important. At Henry Schein, we offer over 190,000 medical products, including a wide selection of infection control essentials, all designed to help keep your team and patients safe. Our Henry Schein brand lineup features Criterion gloves and masks, along with our MaxiWipe germicidal cloths for effective surface disinfection. And don't forget patient care. Encourage patients to stay up to date on flu and COVID-19 vaccinations, and discuss how the early use of antihistamines and inhalers can help manage allergy symptoms before peak pollen season begins. Tip number 2, diagnosis. Cold, allergies, and respiratory illnesses often share overlapping symptoms: cough, fever, and congestion, to name a few, making it challenging to pinpoint the exact cause. That's why quick and accurate diagnosis is essential for delivering the right treatment and preventing unnecessary prescriptions or delays in care. Point-of-care test kits for flu, COVID-19, strep throat, and conjunctivitis provide fast, reliable results, allowing for immediate intervention and helping to reduce the spread of contagious illnesses. For patients with persistent symptoms, allergy testing can help differentiate between seasonal allergies and viral infections, ensuring they receive the most effective treatment plan. Tip number 3, treatment. Once diagnosed, targeted treatment makes all the difference. For flu and COVID-19, antivirals like oseltamivir and Paxlovid work best when started early, reducing symptom severity and duration. Allergy sufferers may benefit from antihistamines, nasal corticosteroids, and decongestants, while asthma patients may need bronchodilators and inhaled corticosteroids, with nebulizers on hand for severe cases. And for the common cold, hydration, rest, and symptom relief with over-the-counter medications can help patients recover faster and feel better sooner. With the right approach, proactive prevention, rapid diagnostics, and targeted treatment, you and your team can effectively manage seasonal illnesses and keep your patients healthy. Let's make this a healthy spring for everyone, together. Click the link in the description below to explore our full product lineup and get your practice stocked up today.